In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Safari history. If you want to remove your browsing activity from Safari on an iPhone or iPad, this process is quick and straightforward. It can be useful if you want to protect your privacy, free up some stored website data, or simply clean up your browsing history. I'll walk you through how to clear your full Safari history and website data, and then I'll show you how to delete just one specific website from your history if you don't want to remove everything. To clear your Safari history on an iPhone or iPad, start by opening the Settings app. Once you're in Settings, scroll until you find Apps, then tap Safari. This will take you to the Safari Settings menu, where you can manage browsing and privacy options. Next, scroll down until you see Clear History and Website Data and tap it. At this point, your device will ask you to choose the time frame you want to clear. Depending on what you need, you can select an option such as the last hour, today, or all history. This is helpful if you only want to remove recent activity instead of wiping everything. After choosing the time frame, tap Clear History to confirm. Once you do that, Safari will remove your browsing history, cookies, and other website data for the selected period. Keep in mind that this can also sign you out of some websites, since cookies and stored site data may be deleted as part of the process. If you don't want to clear everything and only need to remove one specific website from your Safari history, you can do that directly in the Safari app. Open Safari, then tap the Bookmarks button. From there, go to the History tab so you can see your recent browsing activity. Find the website entry you want to remove, then swipe left on that item. A delete option will appear. Tap Delete, and that specific website entry will be removed from your history without affecting the rest of your browsing records. This is a great option if you only want to clean up a single item while keeping the rest of your history intact. One important thing to remember is that if Safari is synced through iCloud, clearing your Safari history may also remove it from your other Apple devices using the same iCloud account. So if you use Safari on more than one device, just be aware that your changes can carry across your synced Apple products. That's how to clear Safari history on iPhone or iPad, whether you want to erase everything or just delete one website.